Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! We're on our way to Baligubat in Infanta, Quezon. We came from Martesa, Mintanay, Rizal. We're going down Marilaque Highway. Daming sasakyan. I'm with Doc June, Doc K, Lloyd, and Lynn. Coach Aboy will be joining us at kilometer 90. We plan to stay at the Baligubat for the night. Maybe we can pitch tent, go car camping, or book a room, or maybe do all of those. We'll see. Ahon, ahon. 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 Sige lang. Makakarating din.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own.
Galing nung bata. Laki pa nung gulong niya, laki pa nung bike niya. Ahon pa to.
To catch you if you fall and deep and abide. Liking for you is all I need.
This is Santa Maria, Laguna. Dadaan pa pala dito.
Hindi naman ako flat, no?
Hindi naman. Kumakanta ka ba kanina?
Corny.
Dahil wala si Coach Aboy, Lynn is on pacer duties. Pero feeling ko, may lakad dun si Lynn. Nagmamadali. Ang bilis ng pace.
Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Hanap muna kaming bakery. Medyo gutom na eh. So, anong tawag sa Spanish bread na 2 weeks old?
Spanish bread.
The Spanish bread. Oh, I'm so smart! Yeah, that's not going in the vlog. Don't worry. Ang baduy!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able.
Sugar, 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 and sugar.
Liking for you is all I need. Until my
And then tomorrow we plan to bike around General Nakar in Quezon from Baligubat. So that's the plan.
Wala yung pineapple pie.
The Spanish bread.
Spanish.
Ilan pong pandi ko?
Ako isa, ate.
Ako Spanish, isa.
Pandi Coco.
Sa tapos. Ganun yung pakit.
Spanish bread. Gusto ko yun, June.
Yung ano?
Yung it's not about where you're going to take your lunch.
About the little meals you have along the road.
Like the Pandi Coco, the Spanish bread, the Hansel biscuit. Ang bilis ni na Kay and Lloyd. Apparently, nandun na sila sa kilometer 90. And Coach Aboy is also there na. I'm not sure how Aboy would have missed us on the road. Baka nung nasa sari-sari store kami, nalampasan niya kami. They're biking towards us. Dahil pabalik sila. We're just approaching kilometer 90. Good morning! Coach Aboy is with us now. Laguna, Quezon boundary. That's Infanta.
Deep in the
Now crossing the border of Laguna and Quezon.
liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for.
Lakas ng headwind.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms.
Jariel Peak. Aboy's Peak, pero sarado eh. So, akit pa tayo sa Aboy's Peak. We are done with lunch. We're headed to Baligubat. Kakalampas lang namin ng Jariel's Peak, which isn't at the peak anyway. So, medyo misnomer yun. Although mataas pa rin to.
I will do everything I can for you.
Malamig yung hangin dito. Maybe that's why they call this little Baguio. Pine trees, winding roads.
And beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for.
So we're finally in Baligubat, pero malakas yung ulan. We'll just probably take merienda and get our cars in Martisan and go back here. Magandang hapon, ate.
Magandang hapon po.
Napakagandang hapon.
Maulan. Ate, walang signal dito ng cellphone.
Ay, wala po, sir.
Wala.
Kain na po kami.
Nagkaling ka na rito?
August last year.
Oh, layo naman nung cottage mo dun. Aboy, di ba sabi mo gusto mo mag-swimming ngayon? Mas malayo pa, Nards, yung kung saan nagpipit si Ian.
Oo, dyan po sa babaw nagpitin siya. May
Ay, yan how.
Hindi, akala ko rin Ian How. Ian Veneration pala. Wow!
prinsipe ka ngayon.
Oh, yun.
Pampered!
Parang sa bagong kasal yun. Hijama.
Nice!
Pasok ka din.
Nice! Wow!
Pwede
Pwede po.
kasama.
Alam mo kasi ang tent dyan eh. Oy! Wala. Oh,
Nice.
may center light ka pa na ano.
Sabihin mo lang, Lin, ha? Sabihin nyo lang, Ryan. Kung gusto nyo dito
Kakatok kami.
Ay, ito may loft to. Ay, ito may loft to.
Iba pa to.
Oh.
Ito yung gingerbread house ni Hansel and Gretel, oh.
Alam ko kung gusto mo mag-setup ka. Kunin nyo na lang notlog kayo tatlo. Di ba?
Sir, pasok po.
Sige, sige.
Madumi.
Camera muna. Isa,
Maputik eh.
dalawa.
Wow!
Oh, tapos meron ka pang table sa kabila. And then may loft eh.
So we are now in Baligubat. We retrieved our cars from Martes and we hitched a ride with the dock case vehicle which served as our SAG vehicle for today. We need our cars for tomorrow. The plan is to bike around General Lacar if weather permits. It's raining and I think we decided to ditch the plan to pitch a tent. That's it for today. Thank you for riding with us. We'll see you next time.